What I really want to talk about today was how something that kind of shaped my life as a professional and as an entrepreneur was having a kind of a philosophy that guided that. So like as I started to kind of analyze all these different things, I started to realize like there's time over here, which we all care about, like time management, especially you guys are busy running all over the place trying to manage your classes, manage your coursework, manage all these different things. There's your time that's important to you. It's not important probably yet, but it might be very soon. That's money, what you do about like building your career, building your personal finance situation, how you can start to improve that. And on the other side of this, there's your energy. And this is where do you want to put all of your energy into? Because you can put time into something, but you can also put energy into something that's going to take mental focus. I like to call those the 3 resources of life, because you can kind of use one to get the other in all sorts of different ways. I'll give you an example. So we talk about retirement as if it's this point in time when I can now start doing something that I love. And it just makes no sense to me. As I've started to interview different people and just talk and network with like really successful business people all over the world, I've started to ask them this one question, and it was, a lot of them were like in their 50s or 60s, some of them, and I said, if you could buy back years of your life, would you do it? And they said, yes. I'm like, I didn't even tell you how much money that was for. I just asked you, would you do it? And they said, it doesn't matter how much money. I would pay any amount of money to buy back years of my life. I'm like, I didn't even tell you how many years it would be. They just said, I would buy back years of my life if I could. Any amount of money, any amount of years. That shows you how valuable time is. So then the concept of retirement, which is we're like, I'm gonna do something I don't wanna do my entire life so I can start doing what I want at a certain point in time, to you to take all of this money to lose time. It makes no sense when you phrase it like that. So that's where I talk about passion. So it's passion and value together is what creates this. And passion should come from a very high place, should come from a place of love, should come from a place of value and service. And when you can start to like really get behind that, I'm saying like lay into it, you'll start to see incredible transformations in what your income looks like as you start to grow.